If you need to add more cameras in Blender fast, this tutorial is going to show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're setting up different angles for animation, product shots, scene previews, or cinematic renders, adding multiple cameras can make your workflow much smoother and give you more control over every shot. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. First, let's add your initial camera. In Blender, press Shift+A, then go to Camera. A new camera will appear in your scene right away. Once the camera is in place, you can move it by pressing G, and you can rotate it by pressing R. This is the basic workflow for positioning each camera exactly where you want it. You can move it forward, backward, up, down, or rotate it to frame your subject from a different angle. Now, if you want to add more cameras, you simply repeat the same process. Press Shift+A again, choose Camera, and Blender will create another one. Then use G to move it, and R to rotate it into a new position. This is especially useful if you want one camera for a close-up shot, another for a wide shot, and another for a top-down view. Instead of constantly adjusting one camera, you can build out multiple camera setups and switch between them whenever needed. Next, let's talk about switching the active camera. In Blender, whichever camera is active is the one used for rendering and viewport camera view. To make a camera active, first select the camera you want to use, then press Ctrl plus Numpad 0. That instantly sets the selected camera as the active camera for the scene. This is very helpful when you have several cameras and want to decide which one controls the final render. If you want to check what the camera sees, press Numpad 0. That switches your view into the active camera view so you can preview the framing exactly as it will appear in the render. You can use this to fine-tune composition, adjust object placement, and make sure your shot is lined up properly before exporting. If you don't have a numeric keypad, you may need to enable the emulation settings in Blender Preferences, but the shortcut is the standard way to jump into camera view. Another useful tip is renaming your cameras for clarity. When you start adding more than one camera, it can quickly get confusing if they all keep the default name. To rename a camera, select it and press F2. Then type a clear name like front camera, side camera, close-up camera, or render camera. This makes it much easier to find the right camera later, especially on larger scenes or animation projects where organization matters. So the full workflow is simple. Press Shift+A to add a camera, use G and R to position it, repeat to create more cameras, press Ctrl plus Numpad 0 to make one active, and press Numpad 0 to view through it. If needed, press F2 to rename each one and keep your scene organized. With just these few shortcuts, you can manage multiple cameras in Blender much more efficiently and build better looking scenes with less effort. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more Blender tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.